Oh, thank you for giving me this opportunity. And I have been suffering with rheumatoid arthritis for the last 13 years. This I got developed after my delivery, after my baby was born, and I am 46 years right now. Over a period of time, with medication, it was becoming difficult to control the disease because with allopathy, my experience is every time I go, the dosage is increased. There is relief, but then the dosage is increased. And at one point of time, after about 5 or 6 years, the doctor told me, now you prepared yourself. अब आपके bones में injection लगने वाले हैं. Now you prepare yourself. So I got really uh, I got really agitated. Like, अब bones में क्या injection लगना है? What is this? Like, क्या हो गया? And I was still in my 30s that time. So I said, ऐसे तो नहीं हो सकता. I have to find a solution to this. कुछ तो है, कुछ तो होना, मतलब कुछ तो इलाज मिलेगा ही. And then someone told me, why don't you try allopathy, बंद करो, homeopath देखो. And I contacted a doctor who was into homeopath, and I was doing fine. Allopath मैंने totally छोड़ दिया था. In that whole duration, I was doing fine. But जैसे COVID आया, slowly I got COVID in 2021, and I did not have to be hospitalized. मैं घर में ही थी. But after COVID, about 3 months, I was so weak, so tired, and feeling so much pain in the bones, and especially my left knee, where thoda sa bend hone laga, and I was not getting enough strength in my knees. I was not able to walk very well. I tried doing घर में yoga वगैरह जैसे होता है. I've never been a regular yoga practitioner. But जैसे किसी ने बोला ये करो वो करो, तो I tried doing something. But then थोड़ा सा control हुआ, not much. And I think 2022 में अक्टूबर में मुझे फिर से कोविड हुआ. And उसके बाद विंटर में वैसे भी rheumatoid arthritis थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाता है. उसके बाद से suddenly over a period of like between October 22 to March 23, लेफ्ट नी में बहुत ज्यादा बेंड आ गया, राइट नी में भी थोड़ा सा डिफॉर्मिटी आ गया, एंड so much of pain. And I said, what is happening? And I went to doctors. I showed in Calcutta. I showed doctors in Delhi, and everyone said कि आपका knees बिल्कुल खराब हो चुका है, especially the left one. Total knee replacement और कोई चारा ही नहीं है. I said, at this age, total knee replacement, because whatever I have heard about knee replacement is like वो 10-15 साल तक ही चलता है, उसके बाद नहीं. I said, अब इस एज में होगा तो फिर मैं क्या करूंगी आगे जाके. And even when my homeopath doctor said कि नहीं replacement आप करो, उसके अलावा आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, so मेरा दिमाग पूरा खराब हो गया तब तक. And I was desperately looking कि क्या कर सकती हूँ मैं कि मैं अपने आप को heal कर सकूं, because I believe we have the power to heal ourselves, but I had no, मेरे को रास्ता नहीं मिल रहा था कि कोई मिले जिसके थ्रू मैं ये हेल्प लूं और करूं. And obviously I was going through social media looking for things. जब मुझे अष्टांग चिकित्सा के बारे में, I found this ad in Instagram, and I said कि चलो let me attend this webinar. And जब स्वामी जी से सुने, उनकी बात सुने, and he was in the question answer session also. I was going through physiotherapy, and it was very painful. So he said कि you will have to give yourself a chance. आप ये करो, and this has helped a lot of people. Rheumatoid arthritis भी reverse होता है. I said कि वो होता है ना, मतलब आप जब डूब रहे हो आपको तिनके का सहारा भी काफी लगता है. तो मुझे लगा कि चलो इतना कुछ किया है, why not just go and try it out. That is how I started 7 weeks back. It has been 7 weeks now. I am with Ashtang Chikitsa. In the 7 weeks, what I have seen, yes, there is pain. I will not say that pain has reduced hugely, no. But balance better आया है. Left कुछ क्रिया है जिसको आपको एक पैर के ऊपर बैलेंस करके दूसरा पैर वो करके करना होता है. I was not able to do that initially. Left leg में मेरे को बिल्कुल strength नहीं था. I could not do it. मुझे पकड़ के करना होता था, but I was always trying. स्वामी जी said कि आपको जितना भी हो सकता है उतना ही करो. Even if you can do 10% of what is required, just do it. And I have been doing it. So abhi recently, over the last 1 week, I've seen that I have balance on my left knee. Without holding on to something, I can do that exercise. बहुत फर्क पड़ा है, मेरे को strength मिल रहा है knees में. Secondly, I see that I have got so much of energy. पहले मैं बैठती थी और थोड़ी देर में ही लगता था कि नींद आ रहा है या I'm not getting energy. अभी I have a lot of energy. My skin has improved so much. In fact, my friend was saying that they कर क्या रही है तू, तेरा skin इतना अच्छा हो गया है. So this is because of this Ashtanga Chikitsa, the practices that are there. Also, मेरा डाइजेशन इम्प्रूव हुआ है. मुझे बहुत गैस्ट्रिक प्रॉब्लम्स होते थे, अभी काफी फर्क हो गया उसमें. I can keep on saying I have got so many benefits. I think also I have a lot of hope that this is going to heal me up. And I'm looking forward कि अभी 7 weeks हुआ है, 9 weeks के बाद 10th week में हमारा customization होगा. And physiotherapy भी मेरा चल रहा है. It is also giving me a little. पहले body जितना stiff होता था, physiotherapy इतना resist होता था body में, इतना pain होता था. अभी वो body थोड़ा सा supple हुआ है, थोड़ा allow हो रहा है to bend the knees and to do things. So काफी improvement हुआ है. And I have been doing this regularly in the last 7 weeks with my travels and all. बीच में मैं travel भी की हूँ. With everything, I have not missed it for more than 5 days. जिस दिन मुझे सुबह ही मैं उठ के करती हूँ, first thing in the morning. जिस दिन नहीं हो पाता है, I find time to do it in the दोपहर में कर लेती हूँ या शाम को. I don't miss it because मुझे लगता है ये मैं करूँगी ना तो मैं बिल्कुल I believe it कि मैं ठीक हो जाऊँगी. So I would say कि we are from a country जहाँ पे ये self healing हमेशा proclaim किया गया है, सिखाया गया है. In between we have gone into allopath and various kind of medications and हम सब अपने root से दूर दूर चले गए हैं. So my only thing is that I'm so happy that Swamiji is there to guide us. This Ashtanga Chikitsa, Kumbhak is there, and I have seen the benefits. So if you, my only thing appeal to you is आपको कोई भी कुछ हो रहा है, आप अपने आप को time दो, विश्वास के साथ करो. I'm sure you will benefit in some way or the other. Maybe it will take more time for someone, maybe it will take less time for someone. I am long way to go, but I have progressed a lot. जैसे पहले मैं बिल्कुल कुछ थे कि एक पैर स्ट्रेट करके दूसरा पैर उसके ऊपर से फोल्ड करना पड़ता, बिल्कुल नहीं कर पा रही थी 3 weeks back. अभी I am able to do that. So every day I see improvement because मैं शिद्दत से कर रही हूँ. I believe it because मेरे पास और कोई option है ही नहीं. I just can't go for a surgery and spoil my life. This is my only option, and I believe it. So thank you so much, Abhisha team, for giving me this opportunity to share. And participants, आपको अगर कुछ भी मिला है मेरे से, मेरे sharing से, I would say कि आप बिल्कुल अपने आप को एक chance दो. Do it with your belief. Thank you so much.